Hey guys, Game Junky here. The Donkey Kong Country video's coming soon, but look, I found this cool duck, and like these cool ducks, and those cool ducks, right? Yeah, those cool ducks. Yeah, and the ducks they can like walk, and they can peck. Oh yeah, and they're pretty cool. There's that duck. I like this. Not, I mean those ducks are cool, but I like this duck the most. Yeah. Uh. Oh, looking like that. Yeah, the ducks. They kind of look like boats. Yeah, join them. Get in the pool with them. Yeah. See, I can tell ducks what to do. That's one of my powers. Yeah, see, and they're all going towards that direction. Yeah. I like ducks. Yeah, they're pretty cool. Oh yeah, that's the video. This is gonna be a new series, and I like this series. Yeah. Hey guys, Game Junkie here. The duck that I like came closer. See? Look at the duck. Look at him. Yeah. Bye, cool duck. Yeah. Jeez, what's that duck doing over there? What are they doing? I guess, see, they're not like the cool duck, they fight. Or I don't really know what they're doing. I think they're coming towards me. I don't particularly like these ducks. I mean, I guess they're okay. I guess they just really want to be on the new Game Junkie series. So they're trying to get a lot of attention. But I prefer the cool duck up here. I'm going to give him more that attention. Yeah, see, because they're like diving and... Geez, yeah. They're really trying to get on the new Game Junkie, but I prefer this duck. I still prefer this duck. See, and now they're going away because I rejected them. Yeah, sad people, you know. See, cool duck always gets more screen time.